Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here, and in today's edition of What's on the Porch, I have not one, but two American Influencer Beauty Bundles because I didn't get around to opening up September, so we're going to do September and October. I won't be doing a try on because I've already looked in both boxes. I know what's in here, and yeah, I'm not doing any try ons. And if you're curious about my look, if you have not seen that video, I will link that up here in the iCard so that you can go check that out. Let's get right into it, shall we? The first one is very dusty. Those UPS trucks. The first box is the September box, and it is full of Ren clean skincare. I love clean anything. So I'm excited about all of the clean skincare. You cannot say clean and skin at the same time. I don't even remember how I tried to say it, but that was funny. So because this is all skincare, that's the reason why I did not do a try on. I will, however, be trying out all of these products, and I will give you an update maybe on my community tab. So let's start with the first product, which is this Ren Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. This retails for $20. That's a small bottle for $20. 3.3 fluid ounces. And it is a skin resurfacing AHA facial toner delivering 7 benefits in one 100% recycled bottle that exfoliates, brightens, tightens, and hydrates for a smooth, even, and energizing complexion whilst being gentle enough for daily use. And I love that it's in a recycled bottle, and I believe that they formulate all of their packaging, even though it is recycled, to be recycled yet again, because they have a commitment to the planet, and I absolutely love that. So I'm excited to give this a try because I do like an AHA toner. I currently am using Paula's Choice, so once I am done with the Paula's Choice, then I will give this one a try. Next is this Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. Clean to skin, clean to planet is what the little symbol there says. I love that. Nourishes and combats skin discomfort. This retails for $50. Wow. A best-selling day cream specifically formulated for dry, sensitive, or stressed skin that delivers daily defense from signs of sensitivity by helping to calm and protect the skin against dehydration and helps protect against free radicals. They are also cruelty-free and vegan, and they have please recycle on their packaging. I love that. Protects that respects your skin and our planet. This is what the packaging looks like, and we'll put a little pump right there. It has a very fresh, very light smell to it. It absorbed very easily. And the smell is already gone. And it feels nice. That feels really nice. And I do, from time to time, as you know, if you've been around for a while, have a little issues with my skin. I don't have sensitive skin, but when I get very stressed out, it comes out in like an eczema, psoriasis type thing on my face. So this might be something that could help me with that, since it's called Evercalm. I like that. $50 though, that's a little pricey. The next item is this Ren Clean Skincare, because I just like to keep saying it. I'm hoping I'll say that combined word again. I just cannot talk today. Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. This retails for $51. Ooh. A brightening eye cream specifically formulated to limit irritation and suitable for sensitive skin that instantly brightens even skin tone, hydrates, lifts, and visibly improves firmness. Eye cream has been clinically proven to reduce the appearance of dark circles in 7 days. And I don't have, okay, I say I don't have dark circles, but I'm looking over at the monitor and I'm like, what is that? Looks like a dark circle. Don't normally have dark circles. Unless there's a lot going on at work. And let me tell you, there's been a lot going on at work. So I guess it's possible that I do have a little darkness happening. This is what the component looks like. It is 15 mils or a half an ounce. And let's put some of this over on my other hand. Maybe. There we go. That is really thick. Very, very thick. That is really thick. It has no smell to it, and I noticed that when I put creams, whether it be under my eyes or on my face at all, that are super thick, it tends to cause milia, or milia. So I don't know about that. That has absolutely no fragrance to it at all, and it absorbed easily into my skin, but it feels tacky. It doesn't necessarily feel smooth, just feels a little tacky, although it did make my skin feel a little plump. So I don't know. I will have to think about that because I don't want to put a heavy cream under my eye, so I'm unsure about that. I may have to pass that along to somebody that I know that has dark circles. The next item in the box is this Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm. I guess Evercalm, it says Evercalm TM, is a line. Gentle cleansing gel, smooths and balances, and this is 150 ml, 5.1 fluid ounces, and this retails for $37. It's a facial wash that cleanses, calms, and comforts sensitive or stressed skin in a single step with a non-drying or stripping formula that helps maintain skin's moisture level and soothing bioactives to help strengthen the protective skin barrier. So again, stressed skin, that would be me. Does it have a safety seal on it? It does. So I'm not going to open that. And the last Ren Clean Skincare product in this box is this Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser, and it retails for $37. Removes makeup, SPF, and pollution. 3-phase gentle oil-based cleanser proven to remove waterproof makeup, SPF, and pollution. Our innovative Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser provides a deep clean without stripping your skin of essential moisture. The hydrating formula evolves while you cleanse, starting as a jelly and transforming to an oil and then milk to gently melt away dirt, makeup, and pollution for a soft, calm finish. I'm sure this has a safety seal on it as well, and it does. Oil cleansers, oils, period, I have noticed, do the same thing as a very thick cream to my skin. I get the Melia. So I don't know. I was using the Palms Cocoa Butter Oil Cleanser that as well emulsifies into like a milk. And I noticed that the Melia, I started getting more of them and I quit using it. So I don't know. I will try it. And then if it doesn't work for me, I know somebody that does like an oil cleanser. And I will pass that along. So that is my September box. And it's valued at $195. And I paid 20... How much? What do I pay for these? Anybody? Does anybody know? $31 because I signed up for a year, so I get a little bit of a discount. And that includes free shipping. So that is September's box. And now moving on to October's box. October's box is full of a brand that I have not heard of. And I don't think that I am keeping any of this, which is why I decided not to do a try on. Because sometimes, even if I know, I'm unsure, I will try the product out anyway, just so that y'all can have some kind of clue as to how that product performs. But I am not really interested in anything in this box. I mean, it looks okay. Well, let's just get into it. It is Pley Beauty. Pley Beauty. And I've never heard of them. Not that that matters. But I just know by looking at the different color stories that it's not something that I'm going to use. And I just went through a big declutter, so I don't want to add clutter. This is something that I can pass along to someone else. And so all of these products look like they are a collab with Cobra Kai. I don't know what that is. It kind of looks like anime or cosplay of some sort. I'm not 100% positive about that. But this is Sweep the Cheek. It is an on-the-go highlighter. It retails for $22. And I will open it up so that we can look at it. Here's the components, and a nice component. The lid just pops off and there's your highlighter. Looks very pretty, nice rosy champagne type color. Did I say that retails for $22? And then they sent a bag, and it's a nice canvas bag. It's got the, you tie it. It is kind of silky on the inside. There's no pockets or anything. It has a silica packet. But that's a nice little bag. I don't really care for those bags that you tie up. That bag retails for $42. Then we have this Lip Habit Hydrating Lip Tint, and it retails for $22. And it is Cherry Blossom. Cute packaging. The packaging is super cute. It's got a little cobra on the top of it. And this is what it looks like. Very pretty. And it smells like cherries. So that's nice. Very nice. And then we have an eyeshadow palette. The packaging is really cute. They are cruelty free. And I believe that the packaging has either been recycled or it's recyclable. Well, that's interesting. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's super cute. And there's your little palette. The shades in the palette are really pretty, but I know that I will not use this. It has 4 mattes in it and the rest of them are shimmers. But they're very pretty. But here's something interesting. It pops out. Be creative, reduce waste, reuse stuff, recycle this. How flipping awesome is that? I love that. Oh my gosh. I love that so much. That is awesome. And then it's got the little place right there so that you can pop it out. That is awesome. I love that. Very cute. But like I said, and I love the packaging. Love it. But I know that I'm not going to use that color story, so I'm going to pass that along to somebody else. And the last item in this box is Energizing Facial Mist. It's 130 mils, 4.4 fluid ounces. And it's Refresh Refined Skincare Spray, fresh and dewy, in the dojo or dancing the night away. This Energizing Mist is the perfect prep for whatever comes your way. Pack a punch while you earn your skincare black belt with ingredients like hydrating hyaluronic acid, green tea, ginseng, and rice water to help refine and refresh skin. Formulated clean in the United States. That's awesome, and this retails for $24. And let's see. Oh, that has a really good smell to it. It's not super strong. It's not really perfumey, but a little floral. So, very nice. So I'm going to pass this entire collection here of Pley Beauty to a friend of mine. I already know who I'm giving it to. And the retail value of this box is $148. So the value is definitely there. It's not their fault that I'm not interested in this. It's still nice. And I have a $148 gift to give to somebody that I only paid $31 for. So there we go. And another thing about the AIA Beauty Bundle is for every box they sell, they donate $1 to cancer research, and I think that's amazing too. Before you go, make sure you go down in the corner and show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play it. Play with it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you need to earn your skincare black belt with some Cobra Kai? Cobra Kai. I bet you know what Cobra Kai is. Energizing Facial Mist. You can just be out in the sun, sweating, and getting the fish and just like that with your skincare. Okay. Mom loves you. Oh, Lordy Lou, I don't have a lick of sense.